Hello children, today I am going to start a new chapter, that is Animals, chapter 5. Now this chapter is about different types of animals and their habitat. Here is a short story given. Let us read that. Little Aryan came home from school, ate his lunch and fell asleep. He had a nice dream in his sleep. In his dream, he met some animals. One by one, all the animals introduced themselves to him. Now, let us see the picture carefully and read the statements given, and you have to identify these animals. First one, I am friendly and guard your home. I am dog, yes. Second, I live in and around your home. I give you milk. I am cow. Third one, I do not live around your home. I am the king of the jungle. I am, yes, of course, lion. Fourth, I have a horn on my head. I am rhinoceros. And fifth one, I have a light green color body and use my red beak for eating. Yes, I am parrot. You can see the picture here. Now, next comes the habitat. Now, what is habitat? Habitat is the place where different animals live. Some of the animals, they live in forest, some of them lives on land, some of them lives in water, and some of them lives in the desert, and some of the birds, they fly in the sky. Now one by one we will come on each topic. First is land animals. Now the animals which live on land are called terrestrial animals. Now these animals, they live on land or earth. Now such as plains, caves, forests, deserts and snow covered areas. Different land animals live on different parts of land. Now first one, animals living in plains. Many animals like horse, dog, cat and many more, they live in plains. These are all land animals. They walk and run on their four legs. Here you can see the picture. All the animals, they have four legs. They move, they run and walk with the help of these four legs. Okay. Now next is animals living in desert. Now some of the desert animals are camel, snake, lizard and many others. Now first you tell me what do you understand by desert? Yes, desert is the area which is covered with sand, and these areas are very hot and have very little water. These animals which live in desert, they can tolerate high temperature. Now you might have heard about camel. Yes, camel can live without water for many days. They can store water and food in their bodies. They have padded feet which helps them to walk on sand. Other animals are lizard and snakes. They crawl on the ground. They live in burrows which help them to escape the heat of the desert, because the desert area is very hot. Now next comes animals living in forest. Now forest provides shelter and food to many animals. Now animals like tiger, lion, zebra, kangaroo, elephant and others, they live in forest. Now their skin and body parts, yes, of course, some of the animals body pattern and color of the skin helps them to merge with the surrounding and protect them from danger. Here you can see the picture of some of the animals. Yes, kangaroo is there, giraffe, zebra, elephant, etc. Now next comes animals living in cold region. The cold region means the area covered with snow. These areas are always covered with snow. Some of the animals like polar bear, snow leopard, penguin, and many others, they live in such snow covered areas, and these animals have thick fur which protects their body from cold, because snow covered areas, these are very cold areas. Here you can see the picture. Polar bear is there, snow leopard and penguins. Now water animals. Now all of you know that our earth, most of the part of our earth is covered with water. Now many animals, they live in water, such as ponds, lakes, oceans, rivers, etc. Now these animals which live in water are called aquatic animals. These animals have fins for swimming and gills for breathing. Some of the animals are, you can also name, whale, shark, starfish, jellyfish. These animals, they live in salty water, such as in oceans. Some of the water animals or aquatic animals, they live in fresh water, such as in lakes and rivers. Some of the examples are fishes like labio, piranha, etc. In this picture you can see whale is there, here is shark, this is turtle, starfish and labio. These are the aquatic animals. Now you have heard about frogs and toads. These are land animals. However, they need water for laying their eggs. When they have to lay their eggs, then they come in water. Otherwise, they live on land. They come on the land. Now, frogs have webbed feet for swimming. They can also breathe in water. Turtles live in water for most of the time. They have flippers for swimming. They come to land when they have to lay eggs. Okay. Now in crocodile, they also crawl on the ground. That is a land animal, but it lives near water and it can also swim. Now next comes animal behavior. Now you have seen many animals such as dogs, cow, goat, isn't it? Now some of the animals we keep as pet. These are pet animals. They are pet because they are very friendly with us. They play with us. They interact with us. Now some of the animals, they are very friendly and some are quite shy in nature. Now can you name some animals which are very friendly with us? Yes, that is cat, dog. Have you heard about dolphins? Dolphins live in oceans. They are very intelligent animals. They can easily learn to perform tricks and play games, and they are very friendly with human. Now animals like orangutan, snakes, tigers, etc. They are very shy animals. They are not very friendly with humans. They do not like to interact with humans. Yes, we humans also try to avoid most of such animals. Now this we come different types of animals, land animals and water animals. All of you have understood this chapter? Yes. Here are some keywords. You have to learn these keywords. This is first one is aquatic animals. Yes, animals living in water are called aquatic animals. Terrestrial animals, animals living on land, they are called terrestrial animals. Now you can give some examples also. Aquatic animals you can give dolphins, different types of fishes. Yes, and terrestrial animals you can give the examples like lion, tiger, etc. Now burrows. What is burrow? That is small hollow areas under the earth. In these burrows, which animals live? Yes, snakes. Snakes lives there. Rat also lives in burrows. Okay. Now flippers. Flippers are paddle-like organs for swimming. Now next is interact, to be friendly. Merge means mix together. That's all for today's video, and next time we will meet with a new chapter. Thank you.